Back to Pixie Suds. Today I'm bringing you along for a soap making day here on the farm in our soap studio. And I'm excited to be partnering with Soaper's Choice. I have been buying my oils from them since 2015, so it's been a really long time. And these are the oils that we're going to be using today in our soap making. We have our tallow, our olive oil, our castor, and our coconut oil. As you can see, it's liquidy. When it comes in, sometimes depending on the temperature when you get it to your home, it's in a solid form, so it's a little solid down at the bottom. I double boiled it so that it would be in its liquid form, so it's easier to pour out of the jug. You can then pour it into a bigger container, something with a wider mouth, so that way you can scoop it out easier, or you can just continue double boiling it gently, obviously not a roaring boil, until it's completely melted, and then you use it in your recipes. It's not hard at all. It just takes a few extra minutes. So this partnership is especially exciting for us here on the farm. And so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go milk some goats and make some soap. Back to